Do you want to know how you can easily get free Swagbucks by finding and redeeming swag codes so you can get some free money on Swagbucks? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have been using Swagbucks for several years, and one easy way to get a bit of extra earnings without any effort more or less is by getting swag codes. But it can be a bit confusing and many people are not aware exactly how it works and how to find them. So in this video here I will show you 4 ways to get these swag codes, and I will also show you step by step how to redeem a code once you find it. So before we go over the 4 methods to find swag codes, I just want to make it clear that this is not a full Swagbucks tutorial. Swagbucks offers many ways to earn, and if you want a full tutorial of all the earning methods, then I will leave a link below here so you can find a full tutorial, and there you can also see how to join if you're not yet a member. In this video here, I want to focus on swag codes, which is a promo code, a Swagbucks promo code that can help you to easily get a bit of extra free money on Swagbucks once in a while. So let's now go over the 4 ways. I want to show you where you can find these swag codes, and then at the end I will also show you where you then need to go to redeem once you have found these codes. So the first way to not miss out when there are swag codes, because one thing is that they're posted, but usually they have a limited number of times they can be redeemed. So if you're not one of the first people to redeem it, then you might not get the free Swagbucks. And one way to make sure that you are notified is to install the swag button, as they call. They have a Chrome extension, they have an extension for other browsers as well, and here you can then install it, and this will not only give you notifications about that, this is also a way to make sure that you don't miss out of any cashback offers, which Swagbucks has a lot of in many countries also. But in addition to that, you can enable it so it will show notification when there is a new swag code available. And that means you will be notified as soon as possible, so you will be able to redeem it and make sure that you get those free Swagbucks. So this is definitely one easy way if you are using your computer quite a lot and sitting in front of your computer. So the next way to find swag codes is by using Swagbucks Live, and this is a separate app. You can see you can download it both for the App Store and for Google Play with a live trivia game that they once in a while have. Just be aware that even though Swagbucks itself is available in more or less all countries, this Swagbucks Live app is only available currently in very few countries. But it can be a trivia game that can give really high earnings in itself. But also if you go through one of the quizzes, you will get a swag code at the end of the game. So that will also be a way to get extra cash into your account. But also the game itself, this Swagbucks Live, can potentially give you really great earnings. So it definitely has earning potential in it itself, and it can be quite fun. So if you live in one of the few countries where this is available, then that's definitely something worth checking out in my opinion. So the next way to make sure you do not miss out on the swag codes that are posted is by downloading the Swagbucks app. They have it both for Android devices and for iOS devices, and once you have then installed it, you can go into the notification settings and you can make sure you then get a notification when a new swag code is available. Where the browser extension is more if you're a lot in front of your computer, then you can install the app, so then you would be notified no matter where you are, and that's definitely very convenient because, as mentioned, you usually have to be quite fast to redeem these codes to make sure that you are one of the people that gets it, because they are only available for a very limited number of people compared to how many members Swagbucks has. So the last way to find the swag codes is just simply by following Swagbucks on social media. They are on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest, and there they will also publish when they have new swag codes available. So if you're using any of these social medias anyways, then why not make sure to follow Swagbucks, and then you will get this code also. It's not quite as convenient as some of the other methods here because you actively have to keep an eye on it, of course, and there's no guarantee you will get it at the moment where it is published, but it can be an extra way to increase the chances not to miss out on the swag codes. So these are 4 ways to make sure you get as many swag codes as possible. But you then also need to know how to redeem these codes when you find them. And that's what we'll go over next. But before going over that, I would appreciate if you can just take 1 second to like this video here, because it can help it to be seen by more people. So I am now logged into my Swagbucks account, and it is not necessarily very easy to find out. It took me a little while, to be honest, to find out where to then redeem these swag codes, because it's not in any of the earning sections up here, anything like that. But in the top corner here, where you have your profile, this is where you go, and then here you have rewards and you can redeem swag codes here. So you click that here, and then where you found that code, you will just simply copy it, and then you will paste it in here and redeem the swag code. And if you then manage to do it before it expired, then you will see the Swagbucks going into your account right away. So this is how easy it is to redeem these swag codes. You just need to know where to find it. For me personally, it took a little while to figure out exactly where it was located, but now at least you know, and then it only takes a few seconds to redeem these codes. So as you can see, if you're using Swagbucks, then it definitely can be quite easy to get these swag codes if you just know where to look. Personally, I prefer the options with notifications, because then I do not have to actively keep an eye on it. And if the Swagbucks live quiz there, or the app is available in your country, it's definitely also worth checking out, because that in itself can also give really great earnings if you are good at trivia games. But if not, then you will get these swag codes at the end of the game, and that's a way to get some extra free money also. Just be aware that using the swag codes are not enough alone to earn on Swagbucks. You should of course also use some of the other earning methods it offers, and I have a full tutorial that explains all about all the different ways. It has a lot of different ways to earn, and I will leave a link below here so you can go there and find out more about that. And there you can also read about how you get a joining bonus, because you can get quite a good joining bonus if you join through an invitation link, which you can also find through the link below this video here. So make sure to check that out, and also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different free ways to make some extra money on the side online.